guys? John Rizzo here, back with another video, back with another cooking video. Today you guys, I'm gonna bring you guys deep in India. I got a special Indian dish that you guys gonna enjoy. It's very common here in the United States. It is a very delicious meal. This is the first Indian dish that I ever tasted, and I enjoyed it. Oh, I gotta give it up to one of my subscribers and a good friend, Sunny G. He was the one that actually introduced me to this dish. I gave it all the props to him. This dish is so phenomenal. Thanks to Sunny G. And guys, comment under the comments below and say thank you to Sunny G, because this dish is so incredible, because without him I would not be able to bring you this dish today. Alright, so let's get cooking. Alright guys, I got here 2 chickens cut up. You gotta use boneless chicken. You gotta use turmeric, cumin, black pepper, and salt.
Oh wait, what about this?
That's for the sauce. Alright, I'm gonna show you the sauce afterwards. Alright, let's get this chicken seasoned, and we're gonna put it to get heated up. So let's put this pan, heat it up. Let's get this seasoned. So we're gonna put some turmeric. Bam. Then we're gonna put some cumin. Bam. Then black pepper. Bam. Then some salt. A dash of salt. You need to put too much salt. Mix these bad boys together. Let it incorporate. Looking good already, guys. I smell the turmeric already. Hope you guys like that challenge that I did with the turmeric. That wasn't easy. So you got this pan to heat it up already. We're gonna put a little bit of olive oil. I mean, not olive oil. We're gonna put some butter.
This guys.
Where are you guys?
Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, guys.
Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, guys. Alright, we're gonna put some butter inside the pan. Bam! Okay, butter's in the pan. Let it heat up. And once it heat up, then we're gonna put the chicken inside. Alright, while that's heating up, we're gonna take the onion. Let's dice this up into cubes. Gone. Half. Yellow onion. You gotta use yellow onion, guys. Yellow onion is for this dish. Russia. You wanna dice this up into cubes. There you go. That's how you want it. This is for later on. You know what? Leave it right there. While it's still melting.
Look at this, guys.
What's my favorite word? We're gonna use these bad boys right here. Garlic. Sorry guys, I introduced you to my bad boy here. Mr. Granddaddy. He's here to play. I think he's feeling better today, so we brought him out today. Let's pop at least 3 cloves of garlic. Granddaddy is hard today, guy. Very hard today. He doesn't care who comes his way. Okay, gone. Alright, butter's melted. Pour chicken. Chicken in. Chicken in. Let that fry a little bit. Let's cut the garlic up. Okay. Pour the stuff that we don't need. get rid of it. Dice up the garlic. Bam, 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 bam. Bam, 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 bam. Bam, 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 bam. What the onions doing there? Garlic's done. Garlic's topped up. Let's cook these bad boys till they get brown. You see the turmeric, the color is pulling yellow. That's what you want. I got a pot of white rice right here, guys. All right, this goes with white rice.
Yeah.
But I'm using regular white rice, but it usually I couldn't find the rice that it usually goes with. It usually goes with jasmine rice. That's the rice that it goes good with this dish. But since I couldn't find it, I'm using regular white rice, all right? But it doesn't make a difference. It's still gonna, you know, give you what you want.
Jasmine, very unique.
All right, guys. Let the chicken brown up
Looks like
with the
eggs.
butter. Looks like eggs, right? Yeah, guys. I hope you guys like, share, comment, subscribe down below, guys. Please, let's help this channel out. I'm gonna give you this dish is phenomenal. Just to let you know, I'm not an Indian. I'm not from the from the Indian country, but I love their food. Their food is so delicious. And just want to let you know that I am bringing you guys this dish because I am in love with this dish. And this is actually the first time that I'm actually making this dish at home. So basically, I hope it comes out good. And just leave your comments down below and let me know what you think, how I'm doing. Alright, guys? So let's check on this chicken. Looking good here soon. We gotta let this bad boys brown up. Let this cook.
So yellow.
Yeah, because the turmeric is painting it. Smelling real good right now in the house.
It looks like
And this is just the beginning, guys. This is just the beginning. You know what I mean? This fish is gonna come phenomenal.
it's fish.
No, I said this dish is gonna come phenomenal. I never said fish, AG. I think you want fish today. But today, you're in India today. Toilet spoon. Toilet. I'm bugging. Yeah, guys, don't mind me. I just came from the beach, so you know I'm a little bit, but it's okay. I'm here to bring you another video, and I hope you guys enjoy this video, guys. And we're hungry in this house, and we're ready to eat this butter chicken. Yeah, this dish is called. I hope I said the dish right. It's called butter chicken, guys. Butter chicken. Chicken is done for the moment. Let's put this bad boys.
Yeah, it's chili too.
Yeah, guys, I actually forgot to tell you. I added chili powder. You're supposed to add chili powder. Remember, this is the first time that I'm making it, right? So you have to add chili powder into the chicken. So I added chili powder into it, about a teaspoon, to make it a little spicy. Because the Indian food, it is spicy, guys. That's what I don't understand. It is spicy. So the chicken is done for the moment. Chicken is done in the moment. Put this back in the heat.
What's next?
Add some more butter. Add some more butter.
What's next?
some onion and garlic. Let that cook down. Let that cook down. It's smelling good in the house, guys. I'm telling you, it's smelling like India here, guys. Smelling awesome. I respect Indian food, guys. Indian dishes are the best. Alright. Alright, so I'm gonna add cinnamon stick.
Cinnamon?
Yep. Gonna add some more cumin. Black pepper. This time you're gonna add
Some.
show you right now, guys. Some masala. You gotta add this. This is the main ingredient, guys. Add some masala. Then you wanna mix these bad boys.
Oh.
A little bit more turmeric.
That yellow color.
That's it. Then
This looks good, guys. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and
And-
subscribe.
want to add a little bit of water and some heavy cream, guys. Shake it.
Wow.
One thing I forgot to put.
Tomato.
You gotta put tomato sauce, guys. You gotta put tomato sauce on it. Add some tomato sauce. Tomato sauce. A little bit of heavy cream. More. Mix this bad boy together. Mix it together. Let it boil. I didn't add salt. Add a bit of pinch of salt. That's it. This is the sauce of the butter chicken.
Yeah, I see the cinnamon.
See the rice? Rice, lower it down. Drain. Add the chicken inside. Let it simmer with the chicken. Look at this bad boy, guys. Look at this bad boy. There you go, your butter chicken. Let that bad boy simmer together for a little bit. Gotta get another ingredient.
Get this, guys. What is that?
This is cilantro.
Cilantro.
You want to put some herb in this bad boy, you know what I mean? You want to put some herbs in it. Take a little bit of cilantro. Give it that greeny.
Green.
A little piece off. You need too much. Start up the back. Beer.
Wash it.
No. Wash. Cut it nice and fine, guys. Nice and fine. everything together. There you go, guys. Look at this. Look at this bad boy. Let this simmer together. Taste this. See how it tastes. Sauce. Yo, God! Yes! It came out delicious, guys! Let that simmer the way it's supposed to go, guys. Let that simmer. I can't believe I'm doing this dish at home, guys. Literally.
Oh my god.
I literally cannot believe I'm doing this dish at home, guys. I am so in love with this dish. So in love with this dish. Yo, usually when you go to an Indian restaurant, they usually serve you the rice with the butter chicken, and they give you a naan. But that I'm gonna show you in a further video, guys, because I'm literally trying to learn with that. But this butter chicken is looking outrageous. Look at this bad boy. Let it simmer so I can cook the chicken a little bit more. You don't want to lose the sauce. Now we'll be back and we'll plate this bad boy, okay? We'll plate it in a minute. Give me a second. Guys! Alright guys, the dish is done. Let's plate this bad boy.
It's really good.
I feel so proud of myself, guys. Literally, me making this dish, woo! You gotta, I don't know, man. I got no words. You put a little stack of rice in the side. You take your butter chicken. You never want to put it on the top of it. You pour it right on the side. Cinnamon stick. You can get rid of that.
Why would they put cinnamon stick?
Give it a nice flavor. There you go, guys. There goes your butter chicken. Now let's taste this. I can't leave out this video without me tasting this bad boy. I gotta taste it. So let's go. Alright, let's mix the butter chicken with the rice. Get some chicken. Let's go. Oh my god, it tastes just how I remember. It really tastes how I remember, guys. Actually, it smells how I remember. It's so awesome. Let's taste this. Mm. Mm. Wow.
There you go.
Wow. I feel impressed. Woohoo! There you go. Another dish in the books. Another country that I had just visited and created one of their incredible, famous dishes. And I hope you guys enjoy it. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and share this video, guys. Let's make this video go out to all the public so we can get more subscribers, guys. This will help the channel out a lot, alright? So, thank you for watching. Thank you for tuning in. Like always, don't forget to subscribe. And see you guys in the next video. Peace!